LMB were really good at alleviating all our concerns, starting with when Lee first came around to look at the property and to quote on the job. He put us very much at ease. He wasn't a pushy salesman at all, very knowledgeable in what he was telling us. Told us about all the experiences and the good tradespeople that they used. Also explained that it wouldn't be very disruptive because a lot of the work was upstairs and outdoors, not internally. So Lee really put us at ease with our decision.
And he gave us a cost very quickly, and then he stuck to that cost. And when there was a few extras that we wanted or things we wanted to change up front and actually throughout the process, that was never a problem. That could be accommodated. So we knew that at any time we could amend what it was we were looking for if we changed our mind about something. Has the project been plain sailing? I would say it's been less disruptive than I expected it to be. Going into a project like this, I think both of us, we tried to stay open-minded about what that might involve. I think we'd set ourselves up to expect quite a high level of disruption, but in actual fact, it was far, far less disruptive than either of us thought it was going to be. And actually, because of lockdown, we've been at home the whole time, and that's been hugely beneficial. So it meant we were here day to day to talk to the trades, discuss what it was we wanted. The trades were all brilliant at involving us throughout the process, asking us where we wanted things to go, how we wanted things to look. So it's been an added benefit to be able to be here while the work's being done, and we didn't find it disruptive.
No, I'd say it was beneficial having it done now, being at home, because we were able to interact with the tradesmen. They were all really friendly. They actually gave us lots of good ideas, which we followed through with. Able to carry on with our day-to-day lives, doing our jobs, no disruption at all, really.